See, they were friendly. Around here, you do the friendly wave.
Let's do the friendly wave. Hello. Bye-bye.
Oh, I can't go 50 though, so.
Let's do like 45.
Yep.
It's doing really well with like not having really well marked roads.
And it is ignoring its own navigation.
And it's ignoring its crappy navigation. Well, maybe that was the L there. Oh no, it's slowing down on you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive.
No problem.
We spoke too soon.
We spoke a little too soon about the...
You don't need me to call those out, right?
No, I see them.
Okay. Just a good old boy.
We felt a little nostalgic today, so we figured we'd go out in our in Doggone Sci-Fi's daily rather than Gray Shot Downs daily driver. That's what I mean.
Which I'm kind of glad we did with all the road construction.
Oh yeah.
All right, we should be able to engage again, and then I'll just slow it down.
Should allow you to, did it allow you to re-engage here? Oh yeah, I do see you. Gotcha.
Worst case scenario, I drive.
Oh, of course.
See how a human drives.
And we get to see how compared to a human. Regardless, we get to get some fun footage and some neat backcountry roads of the Tri-Cities. And take you along for a fun ride at the same time. Again, thanks for joining us. If you're liking the content, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, we paused the music. Yeah, there you go. I was wondering why it's so damn quiet in the car, but it's still paused.
That's fine. I'm paying more attention to the fact that it's having a hard time seeing the shoulder.
No worries. Would you mind putting the music on just for me when you get a chance? Sorry. Here.
I'm pushing that. Nothing is happening, so just let it go. There we go. We also may not have service out here.
Oh, that might be it too.
Yeah.
It might be a cell service thing.
Yeah, you don't have cell service, that's why.
Motorcycle?
Yeah, but the way it reacted, it like hit the brake and then it was like, oh, what do I do?
Sacre bleu.
I remember if it didn't have a shoulder line, it would
Kind of dance in the lane, wouldn't it?
it would be in the shoulder, like especially on turns and stuff. This is doing pretty good.
It's holding its own today.
I always thought this road was really pretty.
God, this road is gorgeous.
And this is what burned a couple of years ago
Yeah.
when we had the big fire.
This may or may not where I came out, and this may or may not be where I came out and had fun.
This is where everyone.
I do like how smooth FSD is getting. Oh, this is interesting because I don't think you can actually make a right there. Well, I think you want to go all the way down and keep going straight.
That's what it's telling us.
No, I know, but I'm saying even here.
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Like, these back roads sometimes aren't mapped perfectly.
Have you ever been out here when they're harvesting?
No, I've always wanted to, though.
We'll have to come out. Well, it's like I was up at Nikki and Derek's place in Pullman, and remember their old house, and it was right up against the wheat fields, and they were harvesting one time. We do have a car coming up behind us. Just so you know.
No worries. We can actually see, we'll get an interaction because there is a passing lane right here.
They're pretty far behind us.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. We're just gonna start to pull over. DJI, sponsor him a new drone.
Yeah, no kidding, please.
Do you want me to just pull up over here? There's like a pull-off spot right here.
No, let's let the pass interaction happen, if you don't mind. Do you feel comfortable enough doing that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Because they'll figure it out pretty quickly.
Yeah, let's just let the pass interaction happen. Because what'll happen is we can see kind of like what full self-driving will do.
Yeah, I need to do it straight, right?
Yeah. It might just automatically go straight, but we'll
If there
see.
is a blinker, I'll just disengage.
Actually, the road does turn that way, so let's see what it's going to do here.
I'm going...
It might be smarter than me. Yep, it's going to be smarter than me.
Yeah,
We're okay.
We don't have the ability to pass, so...
Don't worry. Yeah, you do, right here.
Okay.
You got another passing opportunity coming up, so he'll get to pass you right now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, right here. See? What's going on?
It thinks there's a road here.
Okay, taking over. Let him just pass you. Just let him pass you.
That's what I'm doing.
Perfect. And then just re-engage, maybe? Or when it lets you?
Yeah. I'll re-engage once it figures out what's happening. It thought that was a road.
Oh, yeah, because the bad map did it again.
Mm-hmm.
No worries.
Yeah, it thinks we're still on that road, too.
Yeah. Well, it used to be a dirt road. You can see how it was. Yeah. And then they put in the actual paved road here.
This is so beautiful out here, though.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can tilt the camera up.
Oh, I am.
Yeah.
I'm taking advantage of the fact that the scenery isn't half bad.
There we go.
There we go. We can make a right up here. Perfect.
Sorry.
No. I'm perfectly fine.
This is where we want to turn, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
This is another beautiful road.
Hey, it didn't cut the corner there.
No, it did it nicely. Nice and smooth.
It thinks it's 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, you're going to need to crank the speed up.
Nope, there goes 50.
There we go. Adjust the speed manually.
It is a big fire out that way today.
Yeah. So if anyone's curious about the Teslas we have, this is a 2018 Model 3, dual motor, long range. And the Model S you guys have been saying is a 2022?
Yeah,
I'm
you
looking.
got it last year.
I'm looking at Doggone Sci-Fi to ask. It's kind of like, how old am I? I look at Doggone Sci-Fi and she tells me every year. But at any rate, yeah, so it's a 2022, took delivery of fall last year, and it's a dual motor, long-range Model S. And it was my dream car.
Wow.
Let me tilt up just a little bit, sneak in a little bit of that view for you guys. I don't think you guys will mind the fact that I'm a little bit higher up and
You should see if we can catch that fire.
not as close to the road as possible, or not as close to showing.
How's battery?
Oh, perfectly fine. Not as close to showing RC. There we go. Let me sneak down here. I think when we go out and drive near that other area, we'll probably catch that fire. But yeah, this is just stunning.
What's funny is that fire isn't nearly as big as the one that we had here that year. Because the one we had here went all the way from Coffin Road up to our house.
Yeah, I remember that. My goal is on the next drive to fix the music.
Well, we'd have music, but we also have no cell service out here.
Well, I know, but maybe download, like, what I'll do is I'll download some or something, pre-download some.
That would be.
Mm-hmm. That way we don't sit here in silence.
We filled it in with awkward conversation.
Yeah, this is the awkward conversation that you guys are hearing when we have to sit here in silence and not listen to music. This is how we fill it.
Because, after 8 years of marriage, you run out of things to talk about.
No, we always keep it fresh in some way, shape, or form. Gotta keep it fresh.
I don't know. You can only hear about full self-driving so much.
That's true. Tesla, supercharger, Elon Musk, Twitter. All of you hardcore Tesla fans and owners will probably comment and laugh like crazy down in the comments below because of that fact, and understand, I'm sure.
And all the spouses.
And all the spouses will put smiley faces and be laughing down the end. Yeah, 100% true. So because my drone can't go super fast, I can't ever give you guys like a feel of what it would be like to cruise on a highway, but you guys can get a sense on this perspective of what this really full self-driving does feel like to cruise in. It's very comfortable. You can kind of see how you could just cruise like this for miles and miles and miles and just take in the scenery and really just stress-free driving, I would say.
Yes. My car nags more than his car.
That's true. We do joke that because probably it's an ager, it complains that you need to keep your hands on the wheel, and the cabin camera probably doesn't have the resolution of the newer ones.
We are getting close. We're about a mile out of our stop.
Copy that. Copy that, Santa. Copy that. Doggone sci-fi.
You're such a dork.
I know. That's why 9 times out of 10 I post in the comments with the nerdy glasses and say hello. Oh yeah, I see where we're gonna end. Well, you guys, this has been a fun drive. I hope you've enjoyed the view and enjoyed the ride along. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi, and thanks for tuning in.
Just a good old boy. Stuck in my head now.
The Mac Miller song is the one that's stuck in my head. The
the one you played for me?
Yeah. I can never remember the name of that song, but it's on my Spotify playlist right now.
There's people pulled off there.
Just find a safe spot and I'll land after you park us.
Sounds good. I was gonna pull off while they're at, but
Oh, you're fine.